I left home before sunrise, 500 kilometers ahead. One goal, the long-range test I've been chasing for months. Coffee in one hand, too much optimism in the other. The plan was simple. Drive, climb for 7 hours, reach the peak, and finally see how far the drone can go. Easy, right? Yeah, sure. By the time I hit the trail, the air was crisp, the sky looked friendly, and for a moment, I actually believed this might be the day. 7 hours of hiking ahead, but who cares? I've waited too long for this. The plan was solid. Climb up, fly far, break a record. What could possibly go wrong? It started great, calm weather, perfect light, birds singing, me pretending I know what I'm doing. But mountains, they have their own sense of humor. And mine? She decided to remind me who's in charge. Fog rolled in like a curtain closing on a bad actor. Wind picked up. The temperature dropped. And there I was, arguing with nature and losing. Every time I try this long-range test, something happens. Rain, wind, snow, mysterious Yeti attack, closed roads due to illegal migrants, or a helicopter rescue I didn't order. Take your pick. At this point, it's not a test of range. It's a test of patience, ego, and how many times I can say just one more try before losing my mind. So yeah, I called it off. No epic flight today. No record-breaking distance. Just me, the mountain laughing at my defeat, and my drone thinking I've lost my mind. But here's the thing about us, this special breed of crazies. We don't stop. We just wait for the next window of madness. Because the mountain may win today, but the story isn't over.